Okay, subscribe and let's start this tutorial now. Please also like. I just hope YouTube does not remove this sound and put it as copyright. Please, if this is copyright, I might have to remove it and add a new sound. But please watch and just understand the video. Thank you very much.
She choked on dick, Phoebe's on both my wrists. I was in the jump bucket, now I'm out in all my shit.
Hit the base with a Glock emoji, turn gang in a guacamole. Can't hurt me, I'm with my OGs. Can't nerf me, Sandy LP.
Shit, told them rest in peace. With a packet head, they want it so bad. They been asking where they credit. Oh, that's me. Done on my hip, fuck you me. But ain't in that chopper with my team. Oh, know me, boy, see you've done it now. You are. Killer like my motherfucking house is. Stomach hit that do-si-do and smack you where your mouth is. Heard they want a solo, I can't do that till we out this. Grab my clarinet and smoke them up his body ounces. My tweak the finger flash, rub it on. I'm addicted to this cash, I want it all. Let the chopper blow his brad, bend him over, set relax. Put some lead up in his ass, still hetero. You know the crab like money.
Know the spines like fun.
Know the store keeps shining.
Know the squid likes guns. What we all got in common when the shit's said and done is a dead fucking rogue cheddar city that we run. Let's fuck the beam with my eyes, bro. Sipping hella lean, smoking hydro. When I hit the reef, turning tidal. Gary is my shadow, bitch, he go wherever I go.
Gary hit him with the. Gary hit him with the. Gary hit him with the.
Thank you guys for watching to this end. Please check the description and subscribe.